Hi everyone, welcome to Hans Talks. This is Varun. Today we need to talk about a very serious and heartbreaking issue, the hidden dangers of some common cough syrups. Recently, across several states in India, like Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, many innocent children have tragically lost their lives. You know the reason? The reason is contaminated cough syrups. Yes, you heard it right. Investigations have found that some cough syrups, like Colref syrup, contained a highly toxic chemical called diethylene glycol or DAG. This poison severely damages child kidneys, leading to their untimely death. Strict action is being taken against the manufacturer, and these specific syrups have been banned. So, as parents, what must we do to protect our children? Please remember these three crucial points. Never give your child cough or cold medicines on your own or just by asking a pharmacist. Always consult a pediatrician first. According to central government guidelines, never give cough and cold syrups to children under the age of 2 years. Always check the expiry date of medicines. Never use the expired medication. And don't rely on old prescriptions for new symptoms. And finally, I want to say coughing is often a normal part of childhood and usually resolves with rest and warm liquids. Let's stay alert and make informed choices to keep our child safe and healthy. If you like this video, please share this important message with other parents too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you find the content informative.